Okay, well here we have a very rare find, a brand new Volvo TAMD22 built in 1999, which has never ever seen the inside of a boat. It's been gathering dust in a workshop since it was delivered new in January 2000. As you can see, it's still got all its manufacturer's swing tags on it. Nice coating of dust. So we filled her up with fluids. We're going to see how she runs. Look at that. Never likely to see one of those brand new again. So for more information, visit our website www.marineenterprisesltd.co.uk.